Welcome back to Weekend Smile. Deidre is here. I'm sure a few people may have done Pilates, but have you tried Apparatus Pilates? Yes, here to guide us through a few exercises, we have Justine Williams. She's a physiotherapist at Body Forte Limited. Good morning, Justine.
Good morning, Nisha. How are you?
I am so good. It's so good to have you here. First of all, like we said, a lot of persons may have done Pilates, but not a lot of people would know what. I would call it the reformer.
Yeah.
But you're not saying the reformer, you're saying Apparatus Pilates. What is that?
Yes. So, in general, Pilates was actually started on the mat.
Yeah.
But Joseph Pilates, when he was in an internment camp in Germany, in England, so when soldiers were injured, he saw the need to rehabilitate them. So he would find mattress springs and attach them to whatever he could find, place the soldiers on this makeshift apparatus, and that is where the different apparatus came about. And as years passed on, it got modernized and improved. So we're used to the reformer,
right,
but there are other things like the exo chair.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So you said it started with mat Pilates.
Yes.
And now you have Apparatus Pilates. Are there different types of
Yes.
Tell us about that. Yeah.
The different types of Pilates, not necessarily, no.
Okay.
So, but in terms of the different apparatus, yes. So we have towers, we have chairs, we have reformers, we have bars. So there are different things that we can use.
I love that.
Yes.
I've been a certified Pilates instructor myself.
Okay.
For Pilates, but can you tell us, I know the power of mat Pilates. It changed my life after I had my baby, try to get my belly back a certain way, whatever, it's amazing.
Yes.
But can you give us some of the benefits of Apparatus Pilates?
So it can help to improve muscle strength, flexibility, posture, balance, and just overall well-being.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you talk about balance, and Adrian looks a little unbalanced over here on the chair. I call it the chair. What do you call it?
The exo chair.
It's an exo chair, people. It's not a chair. Okay. So, give us something like what does she do on the chair? Like what's an exercise that you're like ensure?
Will I live after this?
Yes, you
will. Don't drop off of the chair.
All right. So I want you to get this heel on this front pedal here.
My heel?
Yep. And then you're still facing this way though. You're still facing this way. So we're opening the hips, yes.
So your body face us and your leg face us. That's it.
So I want the ball of this foot on this yoga block
all right,
here.
you've gone far. She had a baby.
No man, so you see when you're sitting down all day, we gotta open the hips, we gotta,
Actually, I do yoga with Danae, and it's one of the things she's been working on, that my hips are too tight.
Exactly, so see?
But the can't open now. All right, let me start rolling here, so. This here, so.
Ball of the foot.
The what, see?
Yeah.
All right, see?
Go on the ball of your foot.
Ball.
The ball of the foot, the toe.
Right here, good.
Beautiful.
So this is just a prop.
So this is called the Pilates ring.
Yes, so it's just a prop.
Okay.
All right.
So now Deidre is opening her hips. Yep, you're gonna give her the ring, and she's very comfortable.
Down? Not yet. So, so you have the ring.
What is this? Okay.
Try and face this way. Face.
Square to me. Yeah.
Square. So I want you to get your hips forward. Good. Hold the ring. Beautiful.
Very nice and open.
So extend the elbows.
Straight.
I want you to take a breath in. Exhale, press the pedal down with that leg. Beautiful. Inhale, leg comes back up. So I want you to go slowly. So it's all about controlled movements. All right.
Slow and controlled.
Good.
Is she squeezing the ring or is she just gonna hold it?
She can squeeze it actually. Engage the arms. Good. So relax your shoulders. Drop your shoulders a bit. Beautiful.
Nice.
Good.
Nice.
Nice.
Very good.
So last one.
Ooh.
Hold it. So now let's add a little razzle-dazzle. So when you press down, I want you to rotate.
She looks like she's having such a good time.
I feel like I'm down Jubilee.
Do you feel it in your hips? Do you feel a little opening in your
I feel it down Jubilee.
So I want, when you press, you're going to rotate to me. So press the pedal down, rotate.
Jesus God.
Good.
Yeah.
So remember the breathing.
Okay.
Exhale, press. Inhale back to center. So when we exhale, the navel pulls in, and that is what engages the core. Yeah, so it's all about the muscle engagement too.
And I'm loving the opposition movement as well.
Yes.
You feel your core tightening.
No, I actually feel it in
The
my
hip.
Yes.
hip areas. What do you call these? The hip flexors?
All right.
So Deidre looked like she's going through it. How often would you say that someone should do Pilates?
I would say at least twice a week. So just like how you go to the gym, you can come to Pilates class, and it's a low impact form of exercise.
Right.
So it's also used for rehabilitation because it's easy on the joints. So that's what we also do at Body Forte.
So I feel that Pilates is only for persons who are young and fit. So if
Not
you're
at all.
older, you shouldn't.
No, you can. It's not only for younger persons.
Tell us who can do Pilates. You see, I'm just like, on the thing.
So even your 90-year-old grandma to a child, they can do it. All we do, we just adjust the spring setting so that it's either there to give you support or to give you something more strenuous. So if it's for rehabilitation, we'll set it so that it's more supportive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have another quick exercise for Deidre?
Definitely.
Another quick one. She looks like she really
She's a
wants to do
trained
more.
Pilates instructor.
She looks like she really wants to do
Do I
more.
need to come down
so-
on here?
No.
Okay.
All right, so I want you to come off for me. Good.
Lovely.
So I am changing the spring setting here.
Does 1 mean it's tighter?
Depends on the exercise. So come around here for me, please.
Adrian, just enjoy the
So stand here, stand here.
Stand here. Over here.
Right here, right here. So face Nisha. Face Nisha.
to me.
Turn.
Oh.
Good. So you're centering yourself between the pedal and the chair. So go a little bit over. Place your hand, one hand here. The next hand is on the pedal. Don't push it down yet. Step back and go on the ball of your feet. A little more back, because we're gonna get into our plank. So I'm gonna push your hips forward. There we go, nice. So what you're going to do, you're gonna press the pedal down, allow this elbow to bend. Good, come back up. Nice.
Oh, my hips need to
Yeah. Good. So you don't need to press all the way down. Do what you can manage. Don't force it. Nice. Good. So we're working the
Really
core. We're
good
working
for
the
core,
arms.
shoulders.
Good.
How do you feel, Day?
I mean, my upper body strength is not too bad sometimes.
Right.
So
So I can make it lighter.
Okay. So Justine, quickly, tell us how can persons find you on social media? Can they just call you, Body Forte?
Yes, so you can call us at 632-5585. You can find us on Instagram at Bodyforte Ltd. And we also have our website, bodyforteltd.com.
All right, thank you so much. And you have all the apparatus that they can
Yes.
purchase and everything if they need it. All right, thank you
Yes.
so much for joining us. I love that. I love watching Adrian sweat. That is
purples.
awesome.
In
Upper body is on
purples.
fleek. We'll be back shortly with more on Weekend Smile.
I left the bottle, now she tipsy. Can't trust it, say it be.